Good morning, Trailblazers. This is Mrs. Livengood, your assistant principal. As you might can tell by now, our bell system and in-house intercom phones are not working this morning, so I'm coming to you via video message. We have a fun run today for Track 2 and Track 4, and it's going to be great. We are on the fields beside the parking lot. 5th grade, see you out there at 9:30. 4th grade at 10 o'clock. 3rd grade at 10:30. Pre-K, can't wait to see you at noon, followed by 1st grade at 12:30, 2nd grade at 1 o'clock, and kindergarten at 1:30. Track 2 and Track 4, I hope you have your sneakers on. I do, as well as your Fun Run class t-shirts. It's not too late just because the Fun Run's today. You can still get donations and bring them in, hopefully earn some fabulous prizes and help our school and help us to buy more instruments for the music room. Tomorrow, 4th graders, I know you guys are headed to the Capitol building. Make sure you give your bank's best, be responsible and be respectful and be safe even when you are on a field trip. Teachers, if you would, please lead your class in the Pledge of Allegiance just as soon as our announcements are over. And Trailblazers, have a great day. Give your bank's best all day. Be responsible, be respectful, be safe. Blaze your trail to success.